Okay guys, I'm gonna go over a few things with you guys real quick. So what I did was I went ahead and painted my top rail. I painted it black. I painted it a non-semi-gloss. It's Rust-Oleum, and it's actually for boat, it's got a John boat right there on the thing, but Rust-Oleum camouflage, and I just got black. It's non-reflective finish, and I might hit it with clear coat at the end. I'm not sure yet, but here's my wrap. So that's our wrap right there. I like it. I love it. It's gonna look really good, I think, if I do a good job. So I've never done this before, guys, but we will see. We'll see what happens. There's the one side here. I painted the top rail again. Looks really good. All right. Take all these stickers off. Just use a heat gun and well, actually I got a blow dryer. But I'm gonna paint the back here black also at the end. I'm excited to get this wrap on here. I recommended 3M Super 777. It's a multi-purpose adhesive. It dries clear and dries quickly and clear. It's commercial strength. This will cover 70 square feet, so this should be plenty. I'm just gonna hit the edges with this. That's what they say to do. It's heavy duty degreaser and cleaner, and I'll wipe down the edges real good. Wipe down the whole boat. Even though it's brand new, I still want to make sure I get that wiped down. I really wish I would have got a different color. There it is. Do a little bit more. I gotta put a bead of silicone here all the way down. Guys, back out here next morning. It turned out great. I'm happy with it. You know, I got a couple wrinkles, you know, like here, a couple here, here. There's a couple spots I couldn't get out, but for my first time, I'm definitely pleased. It definitely came out good. For the other side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep a little bit differently. I'm gonna paint the bottom now, right now, might as well. And I'm gonna clean now and get all that stuff situated. See how I'm doing that? What I'm doing is I'm starting doing the top, so the bottom's just loose right now, and I'm pulling that tight, and that's how it's worked. That's what's working for me. And I got a couple kinks, couple wrinkles. I'm gonna try to pull them out, but I said it's a boat, man. It's my first time doing it too. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'll tell you what, next time I do it, it's gonna be a lot better. But this side should turn out a lot better, regardless. But yeah, just start with one section. That's how I'm doing it. See how good this looks here? So, I don't know. I don't know if that's the right way or not. That's how I'm doing it. Alright, everybody. Got all the stickers back on. One thing I am going to be doing is I'm going to be taking like a piece of trim, and I'm going to trim this thing, you know, like an inch. I'll show you guys on the full walk around on the boat that this video is going to go up today. It's ready to go. I'm just documenting, basically. I mean, I showed you guys a couple things, you know, that I ran into, but for the most part it turned out really good. Like, I do like having this type of design too, because with the wrinkles you can't see them because the design has all, it looks, you know, like that. So it turned out really good in my eyes. I mean, I'm happy. It's could be better, definitely, but I can't see it from the inside of the boat anyways. I'm happy with it. Same thing here though. Well, on this side I painted the bottom of the boat, which that came out a lot better, a lot cleaner. Here all I did was I just shrunk it because it's just a weird angle here. You got wells and stuff. Now, if you got pop rivets on your boat, I just don't think, I don't see how you can make it look good if you have pop rivets. My boat is 100% pop rivetless. There's not one pop. And now what I'm doing, guys, to finish this off, I got some boat tape. Alright guys, show you guys everything. So There's that trim that I put up. It's just that boat tape. Did the same thing with the bottom. Just line the whole bottom with this trim. And then I did the same thing with the back. But with the back, this tape here, actually, it's Gorilla Glue tape. And it is, designed for, weather and all that. So, and it is, I mean, I've had this boat out the water 5 times since I put the wrap on. And it, it's doing really good. Thank you everybody for watching. If you guys are interested in this type of thing, check out the company. It's called Strucken Design. And they will, they have so many different wraps. But all right, guys. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you on the next one.